guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. I wanted to give you a sneak peek at this journal. It's not quite finished. I've not sewn in the signature, and I have a couple of other little things to do. But I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at this journal because this is going to be this upcoming week's giveaway at the Saturday Coffee Klatch. If you don't know what that is, it is a live stream that I do every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. We hang out, we just laugh, and we have fun. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Not really. I always say this. I have the best chat group ever. We just really do have a blast together. So I recently started doing just a little giveaway, and this is, like I said, this is going to be this week's giveaway. Like I said, this is not finished quite yet, but I'm having to get ready for my work week, so I thought, let me just show everybody what's what. This is sewing theme related. Kind of, it's a one signature. It's made out of a file folder. I will do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch once it's done. Try to get that done later this week. And you can see this is vintage trim here. This is the front of a vintage sewing pattern. None of these buttons are vintage though. I do not believe. It's already a gator mouth too. I've got, these are some reproduction ads that I have in I have a little book that I bought, and they have all these reproduction ads in it, so I just added those. This is a double belly band here. This is the very last flower that this was a piece of trim. Got this in Happy Mail from my friend Danielle at Butterbun Bookery, and this is the last piece. I have hoarded this and I've used it sparingly, so I thought it would be appropriate to put it in this. This is a piece of ledger. This is a vintage yearbook. So just a little, call it green bar paper is what I call it. This is from a Granny Chic book. This is a Granny Chic page from that book. And then you'll see throughout, I love pattern people. I do. I absolutely love pattern people. I have a ton of fussy cuts that I have in my stash, so I added some little pattern ladies to this one. This is just a little piece of cardstock. I can't remember what the name of this is. Again, I'll try and have that listed. This is from a vintage typing student handbook. And then this is a vintage envelope. I've decorated it here, okay? Now, this is also a tuck back here. I just don't have anything in it yet. I'll remedy that before the giveaway. So, and then here are a couple of little tucks, and you can see these are my journal say ladies. I love those stickers. I love those stickers. They're going there. This is a piece of wallpaper. It's not vintage, but I like the pattern on it. And then this, I got this book in Happy Mail also, and I just hinged it, so it's a little secret kind of tucked writing spot. We did this together as our craft this past week at the live stream. This was something that I saw Jenny at Jen's Junk do. That was my inspiration. So that's that. And then I made this back piece, a little tuck here. And then again, this is also right here, a little tuck. I'll have to make something for that. Then on this side, there's a little tuck, and I made this a bigger, like, journaling card. And then this on this side, actually, you know what, this is actually inside out. Hold on a minute, let me do this. This goes like this. Yeah, okay. Now this is from a magazine that has all kind of fabric patterns in it. So I've just lined the back with some coffee dyed paper. And then this is the signature, the center signature. Some vintage packaging for rickrack. And I just tuck that in here. A vintage miniature flashcard and some more vintage packaging. And then this is a card that I made with another pattern lady, just a little tuck here. And then this little pattern lady here. Okay. And then this is actually, this was a really special embossing folder that had a die cut in it. And I only have one of them. It came in Happy Mail, came from my friend Celeste at Woodland Inspired. She sent me that in Happy Mail about two and a half years ago, actually. A little, another little journaling card that I made. So you can kind of see through here. Thought that was really cute. And I made a fabric flip for this side of it. And then if you flip it up, this is the dress part from this. So some little paper clips, little heart paper clip there. This came in Happy Mail from my friend Pam, the ginger cat lady, but it was made by my other friend Debbie Epps. So I'm gonna have a lot of people to tag in this. A lot of folks are just really good to me. This community is really good to me. Again, this is from Happy Mail from Stacy at Junkie Cat Junction. She had sent me a book full of these. And I love this book too. I don't use it nearly enough because I'm hoarding it. But I'm going to have to stop doing that. I need to start using it. Some more little pattern ladies. I just got these little golden tickets from my Uncle Jeff. Uncle Jeff is Amazon. It's just what I call him, my Uncle Jeff. But I loved them. They really do have a sheen to them. And I just like to use them like that for little tabs. Another pattern lady, the back side of that Granny Chic book. This is one signature. I'm not sure if I said that, but it is only one signature. And then the back end of the yearbook, and then the ledger page. I am probably going to keep the tie simple, I think. So it'll just be a lacy piece like this. But again, not quite finished with it. It will be finished before Saturday's Coffee Klatch. I hope you can join us. I'll have that linked again for you here. The actual live stream link, it'll be there. You can go click it and hit the notification button. Thank you all so much for stopping in on this video. I do appreciate it. I do hope to see you in the chats there. Like I said, I have the best chat ever. We just have a lot of fun. Anyway, thank you all again. And remember what I always say. I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had creating this little journal and hosting the Saturday Coffee Klatch. Thanks, guys. We'll chat soon.